Welcome to this lesson on singular and plural. In English, we use singular nouns when we talk about one thing and plural nouns when we talk about more than one thing. In this video, you will learn how to form regular plurals by adding the letter S or the letters E and S to the end of nouns. This is one of the most basic and important rules in English grammar. The first rule is simple. For most nouns in English, you just add the letter S to make the plural form. For example, the word cat becomes cats. One book becomes many books. One dog becomes multiple dogs. This rule works for the majority of nouns you will encounter, so remember it well. The second rule is for special nouns. When a noun ends in the letters S, X, Z, CH, or SH, you do not just add S instead, you add ES to the end. For example, a box becomes boxes. A bus becomes buses. A church becomes churches. These endings need the extra E to help with pronunciation. Now let us look at nouns that end with the letter O. Most nouns that have a consonant before the O need ES added to them to make the plural. For example, a potato becomes potatoes. A tomato becomes tomatoes. A hero becomes heroes. Remember, this rule applies when there is a consonant before the O, not a vowel. Nouns ending in Y have a special rule. When Y comes after a consonant, you change the Y to IES. For example, a baby becomes babies. A city becomes cities. A family becomes families. This rule is important because many common English nouns end in consonant plus Y. However, when the letter Y comes after a vowel, the rule is different. In this case, you simply add S just like the basic rule. For example, a boy becomes boys. A toy becomes toys. A key becomes keys. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and they make this rule easier. Let us review what we have learned. Add S to words like cat, dog, book, and pen. Add ES to words like box, bus, church, and dish. For special cases, remember that potato becomes potatoes, baby becomes babies, and boy becomes boys. These are the main patterns you need to know for regular plurals. Now it is your turn to practice. Try to form the plurals of these words. What is the plural of apple? What about glass? What is the plural of lady? And finally, what is the plural of brush? Remember, most plurals need only the letter S. Use ES only for the special endings we discussed. Keep practicing, and you will master this rule quickly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.